Hi, are you a mother who is constantly feeling stressed? How do I manage my family, daily chores, and my work? Well, then you must listen this video till the end. Hi, I'm Dr. Tarul Zadav, a lucky daughter of doctors, a wife of a supportive husband, a mother of a 7-year-old son, a medical college teacher, and a consulting physician for more than a decade, and now turned stress resilience coach just for mothers who have school-going kids to help them move from frustration to freedom so that they can break generational traumas and live a happy, healthy, successful, and a stress resilient life. So, well, if you are someone who is struggling how to manage the daily chores, how to manage the family, and how to look after the kids and your work, then well, let me tell you, you're not the only one who's struggling with it. I have been, many are. You know what? We as mothers are often told that, hey, how come you don't understand all these things? You should be able to do all these things. As if motherhood is something that we are automatically blessed with, right? We need to understand this very fact that motherhood is a journey. Motherhood is not a degree which we are conferred and we are expected to be able to know and do everything immediately, right? What most people often see and what even we as mothers see in some other mothers is like how happy she is, how cute she is. She has such a happy and a supportive family. Oh wow, they are clicking photographs, they are celebrating so much. But you know what? We do not understand the other side of the picture. We don't see the stress that perhaps even they are undergoing like us. May not be on the same front, may not be on the same line, but even they are undergoing the same kind of stress, pretty much like us. The guilt is quite same. Motherhood struggles are quite same. The sleepless nights are quite same. We pretty much are experiencing a similar thread of pain everywhere. No mother is spared from those pains, those aches, those sleepless nights, those struggles to manage the daily chores and those guilty feelings, those desire to let everything away and just relax with no ability and time to relax. She is not spared from anything, right? And how do you think you are the only one who is not spared from it? So let's stop comparing ourselves and just feeling that possibly you're the only one who is unlucky, who is not blessed, who is not getting the support that she wants or I want from my family or my spouse. Or perhaps you might be someone who is feeling that my kids are someone who cannot be trained with potty or who cannot be trained with food habits or who are pranksters and all. You know what? Let us all learn to accept one thing that unanimously, we as mothers, we are going to have a journey, right? It's a phase. People might say, people might expect something from us, but we know everyone has our own individual struggle and we are going to grow through the phases that we go through, right? So instead of just feeling jealous, feeling compared with everyone, let us just accept our own space where we are. And instead of running around and juggling and multitasking, let us feel comfortable in asking people around for help. Instead of feeling jealous that how come she is getting that time and help, let us try our best to ask if possibly we can trade off. Maybe if I can take care of your children today, you take care of my kids tomorrow. Can we do that kind of a barter? Can we expect some family help? Can we expect a cohesive and a team spirit in the family? Let us try working towards that unanimously instead of just feeling jealous and instead of just blaming someone or feeling bad about us. We will go through these phases. Each has her own journey, right? All we need to understand is that we need to be empathetic. We all have our struggles. You never know what struggles every one of us is going through. Maybe some are not having any supportive in-laws or parents. Some are experiencing some financial stress. Maybe they are worried about their jobs. How do they resume after the kids? Who is going to take care of their kids? These days, most of the mothers who were once upon a time homemakers have got back to working. Are you aware of that? They are feeling a lot stressed currently because of again the financial. It's a lot of stress to manage the home front, to manage the online schooling of the kids, and to manage everything. So let us come forward to tell them, tell each one that we are there for each one of you. We are there to support you, and together, instead of cribbing in silence, suffering in silence, let us stand first for our own self and learn to decide what we exactly want, what we do not want, so that we make this journey of motherhood a more happy, comfortable, a real journey of growth, which also makes us feel successful when we reach our 50s or 60s, instead of being in that bitter resentment self, right? Hope you also enjoy the motherhood and have a happy life. Thank you.